Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, January 31st, last day of the month. Here's a quote of the day. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. One of Cesar Chavez's favorite quotes from Gandhi. Let's look at the schedule. This is the second week and Wednesday. The View and Do 1.1, which is the reader analysis assignment summary. The reader analysis assignment summary is due. Remember, these are 300 words responses posted to D2L. We'll start the View and Do 1.2 and 1.3. 1.3 is a procedural view and do worth 2 points, and you just need to write a couple sentences as a summary of that. Here I put some samples of a reading of Hofstadter. The first one is my example, and the second one is a student example that I've taken from a paper. So let's look at my example for a minute. So I begin this by saying I like the section where Hofstadter provides different translations translations to a stanza by the Russian poet Pushkin. These examples illustrate the analgesic process of translating something from one language to another. I think that's what he's doing. Let's see if I can nail it. In what follows, I use the reading strategy this should be of rereading, posing questions, and reflection. So I quote the line from Hofstadter, and then I'm not going to read this. You read this for yourself, but note that I go through it 3 times. So I say, when I read this line for the first time, blah, blah, blah. And then when I come back and I read it for the second time, and finally for the third time. And then I go on to the next selection that I want to read. So you should do this 3 or 4 times, this kind of using your strategies. The reading strategies that you use could be various. They could be defining things or underlining things and writing in the margin. Just tell us, what you're doing when you do those kinds of things. That's the kind of the metacognitive process that I want you to do here. Okay? So let's go back to the notes. When is the reader analysis first draft due? It's due Friday or finally by Monday at 6 a.m. Okay, thanks. Bye.